The Yog Setu bridge, constructed in Panjim at a cost of approximately 33 crore, is now suffering from poor maintenance. The statue along the bridge are layered with stain from Tambaku Pichkaris. This bridge serves as a key entrance and connector to the promenade from DB Road near the ECG to Miramar Beach, running along the scenic river coast. Local sellers said the rampant speeding is ruining the beauty of the area. Authorities are urged to step in and restore the bridge.
The issue of public spitting after consuming gutkha and tobacco is increasingly becoming a nuisance across Indian cities, and Goa is no exception. In major urban centers like Panji and Mapusa, public spaces and markets are frequently defaced with tobacco stains, despite significant funds being spent on cleaning and upkeep. The latest victim of this menace is the Yog Setu bridge in Panji. This scenic bridge, connecting DB Road near ESG to Miramar Beach, was constructed to enhance pedestrian connectivity along the riverfront. However, the statues and walls lining the bridge are now covered in reddish stains from tobacco-laced peat, sparking outrage among locals. Residents have voiced concern over the bridge deteriorating condition and are urging authorities to take immediate steps to clean and maintain the structure. Some have also demanded stricter action against Bollywood celebrities promoting gutkha and pan masala products, suggesting legal complaints and financial penalties as deterrents. With Goa relying heavily on tourism and clean aesthetics, citizens say the need to address such public health and hygiene issues is more urgent than ever.
आम्ही ह्या वेळार असा योग सेतू हांगासर आनी हांगा मेन येवपाचें कारण म्हणजे तुमकां दाखयता आमी योग सेतू हो 33 करोड खर्च करून एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 33 करोड खर्च करून हो योग सेतू बांदलेलो लोकां खातीर आनी आमचे टॅक्स पेयराचे पयशे. आतां आमी तुमकां दाखयता हे योग सेतूचेर तुमकां एक वेगळी गोश्ट दाखयता ती म्हणजे जुबां केसरी म्हणजे हे सगळे पिचकारी. हे अशे तरेन सगळ्या कडेन पिचकारी मारलेली आसा जे गुटखा पान हे खावन बाकीचे जे स्विंग हे आसा ते खावन मारलेले आसा. हे पळय कशे तरेन हे सगळे जुबा केसरी म्हणजे सगळे तांबडे करून उडयलेले आसा. हे हांगाच न्हू दुसरे वाटेन तुमकां दाखयता योग पुरुष बसला तो एक व्हडलो पुतलो आहा स्टॅच्यूज केलेले आहा ते. हे पळया हांगा सुद्दां सगळे कशे तरेन हो योग सेतूचो दुरुपयोग जाता. लोक हांगा कशे तरेन हे पान खातात आनी गुटखा खातात आनी थुकतात हांगासर. इतना कोण खाताय सगळे पळय हे हांगाच न्ही हे सगळ्या कडेन अशेंच थुकलेले आसा. हो योग सेतू न्हू आतां रोग सेतू जावपाचें कारण आहा. कारण अशेंच जर थुकले जाल्यार हो योग सेतू न्हू रोग सेतू जावपाचो. हेचे हे पळया हेचेर खंय ना खंय सरकारान लक्ष दिवचें कारण हे सगळ्या कडेन थुकून दवरलेले आसा हांगासर. हांगा जर हांगा कोण आयले ट्युरिस्ट आयले चडशे हांगा ट्युरिस्ट विजीट करता. हे पळया कशें सगळ्या कडेन हे खावन गुटखा खावन पिचकारी मारलेले आसा सगळे.